come right here, pinch that down like that, get a flathead, just pull it out like that. You see how it's kind of stuck right here? See that little teeth right here? You gotta watch out, make sure you don't break those, and there's another one right here. Look at that. Those are little teeth right there. Here goes the bulb right here. I'm gonna replace it. Right there. I'm gonna get the LED, goes the LED right here. Just like that. Put the cover back under. So you see the little teeth? Make sure you slide those in there first. So yeah, it's a tight fit like that. You see that? They're in the plastic already. Then you come right here and put that on there. That's it.